Assalamu alaikum everyone. Science isn't about why, it's about why not. So, why not talk about Science Day? It is a great pleasure to talk about Science Day today. In India, every year National Science Day is celebrated on 20th of February to popularize scientific thinking and the application of science in everyday life. Dear students, do you know the meaning of scientific thinking? In simple sense, scientific thinking means not believing on rumors and not passing unreliable knowledge without any evidence or proof. On National Science Day, Government of India felicitates the Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar Awards to the scientists who have done outstanding work in the field of science for human welfare. National Science Day calls for the continuous advancement of science in the country. This year, the theme of National Science Day 2021 is Future of STI, Impact on Education, Skills and Work. This year's theme is highlights the future impact of science, technology and innovation in the field of education and work. Science, technology and innovation are the essential part of the development, the economic and social development of our country. It is celebrated to mark and remember the discovery of Raman effect by Dr. C.V. Raman. In 1921, famous Indian physicist C.V. Raman was on a ship one day coming back from London. And a question struck him, why is the sea really blue? He wasn't convinced with the notion that the sky was blue. So, in March 1928, he published a theory that come to be known as Raman effect. It is about scattering of light. He went on to discover Raman effect in 28 February 1928 to answer his own question and won the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1930. It is immensely surprising that Raman used equipment worth merely rupees 200 to 300 to make his discovery. The Raman effect is now examined with the help of equipment worth almost millions of rupees. In 1954, he was given the Bharat Ratna but refused to go collect it because one of his students needed him for his doctoral thesis. He wrote to President Rajendra Prasad by saying that I would not be present because I am firmly tied down here to enable one of my students to complete his doctoral thesis. Thus, my duty as a teacher has to take precedence over personal affairs. Amazing dedication, isn't it? Recognizing the significance of his discoveries in the field of physics, the National Council for Science and Technology Communication proposed to celebrate 28 February as a National Science Day. The Government of India approved the request and therefore, since 1986, the country has been celebrating this day as National Science Day.